So this strategy can work wonders. If you just apply yourself, nothing will come on its own and you have a nice chance for making some nice steady monthly income for yourself. So what I would suggest is to just follow the steps, do them as I do them, and get yourself some money. So you can basically go on platforms like upwork.com, fiveskid.com, or even fiverr.com and get a lot of money. You don't have to possess any experience. In fact, you're gonna get it as you go. So for a start, maybe you just wanna go and join on Fiverr. It's gonna be pretty easy, and that's the first step in making money today. Of course, the method that I'm gonna show you today works all around the world. So it doesn't really matter where you come from. You just need internet connection and you're eligible to make money like this. So the strategy, actually the niche, which I wanted to show you today is video editing. And maybe you had some experience with editing videos. And trust me, there's a lot of money into it if you just go and explore. If you do research, I'm gonna show you how these people are doing it already. And for example, you can see that this girl or guy, I don't know what it, he's selling each one of those gigs at $80 each, and he already sold 55 of those. So 55 times 80, he already made $4,400. Now that's a lot of money, you can get it as well, and you don't need any experience. I will show you one tool which is gonna do all the hard work for you, and then you are gonna get experience as you go. But please let me just show you this. If we see this guy over here, you can actually see that he sold like 700 of these and he's charging $80 as well. Of course, you won't charge $80 right from the beginning, but this is where you can get, this is the end. For $80, 700 of these. So if we multiply 700 with $80, just take a look at this 50,000 bucks. Now if that's not a lot of money, I didn't know what is 56,000 bucks, and he's doing one really fun job, which is editing videos. And a lot of people on the internet need some videos edited though. They just want to edit their wedding video. They just want to go and edit some YouTube videos, whatever, some commercials. You can involve yourself into all of those. So you will just create those videos with the help of this tool that I'm gonna show you later on. You can get a lot of money, and as you scale your business, it's gonna be nice monthly steady income for you. Also, don't let me forget this website. This is people per hour. Maybe there is a less competition and you can start over here as well. But trust me, you can make it on Fiverr as well. So in fact, you can just like these people are doing. You can see that there are a lot of these here. Just take a look at this guy. 1,600 sales already, and all of that separates you from being live. These people here is some dedicated work. You can come here quickly, more quickly than these guys, because you will have help. I will show you one software which is gonna do the work for you, and the software and question is called Invideo.io, where you can come and create those turning videos easily. So nothing complicated here. It's gonna be very easy with these. You can see that, and it works in 190 countries all around the world. Just take a look at these reviews on Capterra, Trustpilot, and G2. On Trustpilot, they have 4.5 out of 5, and I think that this speaks for itself. This is a really good rating, and you can see down in the comments that people are really satisfied with it. And video is great. This is an excellent platform. Just keeps getting better and better. It gets a little difficult at the beginning, but it gets better. As I've told you, you will get more experience and you will enjoy the work that you do here on Invideo. That's how good this is. They have really powerful video editing features. You can do a lot here. You can even edit audio. You have a lot of animations as well. And what I really like is that you have a lot of these customizable templates. You have a lot of. Some of them are free, but some of them you have to pay for. I'll come to that later. But first of all, when you come here, click on sign up. This is gonna be really quick. You can sign up with Google, and once you're on the inside, you have a lot of these templates. You have a lot of templates. If you just click on here, you will have a wide variety of selection. You have a lot of stuff in here which is gonna help your work. So let me just show how this works. So for example, you make yourself a gig here and some customer reaches out to you and he wants to make, for example, some ad. What you can do is you go back to Invideo, and let's say that your customer is in fashion niche. So you have these filters here which are making it even more easier. So you can just filter out the ones which you don't need. And for example, you like this one, you just click on it and then you can preview. Okay, so this is like neon sign advertisement. If you don't like this one, you go back to search. For example, I don't know, you just go on this one and then you just preview this template and see if it's suitable for you and if it's suitable for your client. So if you want to just edit this out, you just click on use template and then they're going to open this editor, which is in your browser. That's really fun. You don't even have to download the software. Now, once you get, you can change whatever you want. So shoes sale up to 50% off. Whatever you want, you can change in this editor and make it more suitable for your client on Fiverr or Upwork or wherever you do. You can see that on this left hand side, you have a lot of these tools and you will quickly get accustomed to these. It's very straightforward. Even complete beginners can use their software. In order to make a lot of money, a lot of these templates are free. So you can use a lot of these templates and you don't have to pay nothing. But what I suggest, if you want to take the full experience of Invideo, you can just click here on upgrade and you can upgrade to this business or unlimited plan. If you want to see more, just click on see detailed comparison. And here you can see in detail when you compare all features, what you get from business or unlimited plans. So it is really bargain. $15 and $30 per month. It is really good deal for anyone. And just look at what you can get. The important thing is that resolution of those videos can go up to the best quality when you use business and unlimited. And if you want to get a discount on these plans, you can use the code which I've put in the description down below. It is ENT24. So code ENT25 will get you 25% discount on these already low prices. So it's a nice bargain. You can get a lot of special features here. You can also use automated text to speech. You can remove background images and you can do those a lot with a business and unlimited. And just take a look at this. This is really good. You can use 8 million iStop media library and it is without watermark. 120 per month on this plan, and on business plan you can get 10 per month, and these are really good. I really like to use them. They're really good quality. But for example, what you can do is you can just go and you can make your first gig here and you can do it for like $10 or $15. And then what you can do, you can reinvest that money here and then start charging more on Fiverr or Upwork, whichever platform you did. So you will get a nice amount here and then you just reinvest the money like real business owners do. And with these plans, you can make a lot more videos and of course better quality videos, so you can charge more. Of course, you just have to involve yourself. You have to invest a bit of your time into this because nothing is gonna come on its own. And just take a look at, for example, video ads. You have a lot of things in here which you can use on Fiverr.com, and it is really good for your business there. And it can be really fun. You can just go and scroll through these ads, make something which is really nice to you and your customer, and you get money for it. No hard work, and video is helping you a lot, and you get the money of the process, and video is really good. So I highly suggest that you visit them. Look for something which is interesting to you. Try it out and see if you can make a lot of money with it. I trust in you. You just have to invest a bit of your time and then the money is yours. You have a tool which is working for you, so let's go and do it.